All right, back in May 2024, I put out this video right here about how to step the hi-hat. A lot of people seem to like that, so and if you like that, remember to like, subscribe, so you can come back next Tuesday for more content just like this. I've taught well over 1,000 drum lessons to people just like you, and I can show you too. I'm Gabriel, and you are watching the YouTube channel of DrumTipTuesday.com. All right, let's get right down to it. First things first, if you want to step the hi-hat, you're going to have to step the hi-hat. For those of us who don't know what we're talking about, I'm not talking about opening and closing it, making that sound combination with the right hand and the left foot coming up and then coming back down. I'm talking about the left foot on the hi-hat, stepping it like an articulation similar to that of a ghost stroke on a snare drum. To that end, let's take a look at this skill set here, and it's just going to be step, right, left. Real simple. After you get that together, let's take a look at the rhythm that we're trying to play. That thing that I was doing at the top of the video sounds kind of involved, and I guess it is. It's a little difficult, but let's break it down one beat at a time. First things first, we're going to talk about it like we do. Checking it out right here. Beat 1, you have kick, right, left, kick, the right hand being on the hi-hat, left hand being a ghost stroke on the snare drum. You then go right into left, right, 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 triple right. It's not that big a deal because the kick on the of 2 kind of pushes it through. You'll see what I mean as soon as you play it. It's accented snare drum on beat 2, backbeat. Beat 3, you're going to have left, left, right, left ghost strokes on the snare drum rather, and then you're going to have an open hi-hat and a kick drum. Interesting how we combine both of these hi-hat functions in one rhythm. That's one of the things that makes it tricky, but we'll do it one beat at a time. And then beat 4, you have an accented snare drum, and then right, left, hi-hat, and ghost stroke on the snare drum. Let's check out just bar 1 of this 2-beat rhythm. Second bar, beat 1. There you have your stepped hi-hat. Step, right, left, step. Careful when you play from the step with the left foot on the hi-hat, and you play the right hand on the hi-hat immediately afterwards, that you don't get that st in between. You want 2 very articulate sounds. First one with the left foot, second one with the right hand. And we're going to end that beat with another step. And then we're going to do on beat 2, right, left, left, right. The right hand is going to come back to the snare drum. The left hand's playing ghost strokes on the snare drum as opposed to the heavy accented right hand. And then the right will be back on the hi-hat on the of beat 2 in unison with the kick drum. Then on beat 3, it's exactly the same as beat 3 in the first bar. 2 unaccented snare drum notes with the left hand, and then an open hi-hat with the right hand with the kick drum. And then finally, on beat 4, accented snare drum, kick, right, left on the hi-hat, and then ghost stroke on the snare drum. Second bar sounds just like this, real nice and slow. And just like we always do, let's take the first bar, second bar, smash it together, real nice and slow at first. Gonna do 3 different tempos, slow, medium, and fast, with a click right now. But before we put it all together, just a question here. I've been trying out this new Gretsch, well, it's not a new Gretsch snare drum, it's new to me, but it is a 60s style Gretsch chrome over brass 5x14 8-lug with the big thick cast rims. I'm wondering how that sounds to you. Sounds great to me in my room, but I'm wondering, comment below, you like this one? And if you enjoy the content that I share here on YouTube, then consider subscribing to DrumTipTuesday.com. Link is in the description. There you will find tracks to play along to without the drums, in-depth master classes, as well as very structured coursework that I only share on DrumTipTuesday.com. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and check out one of these videos